In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Outlook emails in New Outlook. If you've ever been waiting for a message that just doesn't appear, or your inbox looks a little out of date, this walkthrough will show you the quickest, most reliable ways to refresh in the new Outlook experience. We'll cover simple actions you can use anytime to make sure your inbox is fully up to date. First, open Outlook. You can launch the new Outlook app or open Outlook in your browser. Either way, make sure you're signed in and looking at your mailbox. Give it a moment to load and confirm you're on the inbox you want to check. It helps to have the Outlook window active so your keyboard shortcuts and clicks apply to the right place. Next, use the fastest refresh method. Press F9 on your keyboard. This immediately starts a sync, which tells Outlook to check with the mail server, download any new messages, and update what you see. If you press F9 and nothing seems to happen, make sure Outlook is the active window, and remember that on some keyboards you may need to hold the FN key to use the function row. You should see your message list update and unread counts adjust as new mail arrives. Another precise way to refresh is to right-click your inbox folder and select Refresh. This is great when you only care about one folder and don't need to sync everything. Right-clicking brings up a quick menu, choose Refresh, and Outlook will recheck that specific folder and pull in any items that haven't shown up yet. If you're on a touchpad, a two-finger click usually opens the same menu. This action focuses on the folder you clicked, so it's efficient and targeted. You can also refresh from the ribbon. Select the View tab at the top of Outlook, then click the Sync button. This is a clear visual way to start a synchronization without relying on a keyboard shortcut or a context menu. You'll typically see a brief progress indicator as Outlook contacts the server and updates your mailbox. It's a dependable option if you prefer clicking through the interface. All three methods, F9, right-click refresh on the inbox, and View tab sync, trigger the same core process. Outlook checks for new messages, reconciles changes, and updates your view. None of these actions deletes messages or changes your account. They simply ensure you're seeing the latest mail. To wrap up, open Outlook, use F9 for an instant send or receive, right-click your inbox and choose refresh for a folder-specific update, or head to the View tab and click sync for a clear, clickable refresh. Use whichever method feels most natural, and you'll always have the freshest view of your inbox. Thanks for watching.